100 Hong Kong dollars for both of us. Okay. And that's now selling yacht tours. Okay, is it a deal? 100 bucks. And here we finally heading. We got a spot. Check out the view. What do you think, Dan? Are you happy with the place?
Yes.
Stunning view right in the front. Yeah.
Lift up more.
We've got almost the panoramic view. Check it that out. Right in Victoria Harbour. It's almost like the waterfront. To be honest, living all the way in Jiangsu province, I miss this fresh breeze. That smells fresh.
That's not very fresh.
Smells like egg. A little bit like egg.
Smells like an egg.
Let's go.